Hey Levi, that's a nice swing stance. We're not paying you to play golf. Let me show you what those are really for. Hi, Eric here at Mountain Hardware. We're getting into the weeding season. And today, I want to show you a little bit about a couple products that we have for sale. These are grass and weed cutters. Now these are weeding by hand, and how they work is actually taking almost like a golf swing approach. Similar stance for all you golf enthusiasts over there. But this one would go like this, back and forth, hitting the weeds. We also have it in available bigger size for those of you who want to go big. Bigger weeds, same motion. So if you feel like getting a workout, cutting some weeds at the same time, come on down, Mountain Hardware. Come and see us. We featured some hand tools earlier, but now we're going with power. This is a Milwaukee fuel-less, gasless weed trimmer.
But wait, before we continue, please remember to use safety glasses and gloves when operating this piece of equipment. Safety first. Thank you.
This model is available for rent here at Mountain Hardware. You can rent this machine, and this will take care of your weeds in the yard. Makes a tough job fairly simple with the weed trimmer. Lasts about 2 hours, and that's our rental rate here at Mountain Hardware. If you do want to purchase something like this, we do have them available in our catalog, and we do have some weed trimmers in stock, carrying various lines such as Black & Decker. So if you're in the market for a good trimmer, come on down Mountain Hardware.